In today's video, we are going to be looking at the applications of electromagnetism in the wireless doorbell. This device uses electromagnetic waves to function. Before we look into its mechanism, let's understand how electromagnetic waves are created. Maxwell's four equations of electromagnetic radiation, we then derive the wave equation, which proves the existence of the electromagnetic waves. These equations then tell us that electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and will move as waves in the x-axis. Given that we have an electric signal, how do we produce an electromagnetic wave from it? You might have a simple answer in your mind, that is to use the principle of electromagnetic induction to produce a fluctuating electric and magnetic field around it. However, this field is only produced around the source and is of no use in transmitting signals as it does not propagate. Now, how do we detach these electromagnetic fields to allow them to propagate through space? This is proven in Heinrich's experiment, where when a high voltage is applied to two unconnected ends, a spark is produced. At the transmitter, electromagnetic waves are sent at the receiver end, which generates sparks as well. This experiment can also be seen as a basic principle of an antenna. Antennas can be used as transmitters and receivers to propagate electromagnetic waves. Now, to understand how an antenna works, consider a positive electric charge apart. This is known as a dipole. These charges produce an electric field. Oscillation of these charges creates a varying electric field, which will also generate a varying magnetic field perpendicular to it. A wavefront representing the electromagnetic wave is produced, showing the propagation of these interactions. This visualizes how an antenna creates electromagnetic waves. Now, back to the mechanism of the wireless doorbell. The doorbell works by utilizing low-frequency electromagnetic waves, which is also known as a radio wave. This device works by sending a radio wave signal, which is received by a receiver when the user presses the button. The receiver then converts the signal into an electric signal, which is passed through a buzzer that produces sound. And that is how the wireless doorbell works, by utilizing a form of electromagnetic radiation, which is radio waves. Thank you.